Imagine a universe very different from our own. A cosmos where distant worlds glow at night, not from stars alone, but from vast illuminated regions on alien planets. Entire horizons shine softly, as if cities far beyond our reach are alive with activity. For generations, this vision belonged only to science fiction. Today, it feels closer than ever. This shift is driven by an extraordinary scientific tool, the James Webb Space Telescope. More than a telescope, JWST is humanity's most powerful window into the unknown, designed to explore realms of space we could never study before. Among the most astonishing possibilities being explored is a nearby star system, Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. Scientists have long been fascinated by its planet, Proxima Centauri b, a rocky world orbiting within its star's habitable zone. Recent research has raised an extraordinary question. Could unusual light patterns detected from this planet point to artificial illumination? If confirmed, such a signal would suggest far more than simple life. It would imply technology, energy use, possibly even a civilization capable of reshaping its environment, much like humanity has done on Earth. The idea that another world might glow at night as our cities do is both thrilling and unsettling. The consequences of such a discovery would be immense. It would force humanity to reconsider its place in the universe. Are we one of many intelligent species? Or have we simply been late to discover the others? The realization that thinking beings may exist just beyond our cosmic doorstep would reshape science, philosophy, culture, and belief systems worldwide. For centuries, humans viewed themselves as central to existence. Discovering intelligent life elsewhere would dismantle that perspective entirely. It would redefine how we understand intelligence, progress, and even consciousness. Our definitions of life would no longer be earth-bound. This revelation could unite humanity, encouraging cooperation, planetary protection, and a shared responsibility toward our home world. Yet it could also introduce new challenges: competition over space exploration, technological dominance, and access to cosmic resources. The future would demand wisdom as much as curiosity. At its core, the search for life beyond Earth is also a search within ourselves. Every question we ask the universe reflects our hopes, fears, and desire to belong to something greater than our planet. The James Webb Space Telescope stands at the center of this journey. Its mission extends far beyond finding planets. JWST studies the atmospheres of distant worlds, analyzing how starlight interacts with gases like water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. These chemical fingerprints offer clues about habitability and potential biological activity. By decoding infrared signals invisible to older telescopes, JWST transforms speculation into measurable evidence. It allows scientists to study planets that were once nothing more than mathematical predictions. Its reach extends even deeper into time. JWST observes the universe's earliest galaxies, helping scientists understand how stars first ignited and how cosmic structures emerged. These observations may challenge existing theories about cosmic expansion, dark matter, and the fundamental nature of space itself. In this sense, the James Webb Space Telescope is far more than a scientific instrument. It stands as a powerful symbol of human curiosity and ambition. It reflects our deep-rooted desire to explore what lies beyond the familiar, to question the unknown, and to understand the universe not just as observers, but as participants in a much larger cosmic story. JWST represents the collective effort of humanity reaching outward, refusing to accept the limits of what can be seen or known. As the telescope continues its journey of discovery, it may reveal worlds unlike anything we have imagined. Planets wrapped in brilliant auroras, glowing under intense magnetic storms. Worlds shaped by extreme temperatures, crushing gravity, or atmospheric chemistry that defies Earth-based expectations. Some of these environments may operate under physical conditions so unfamiliar that they challenge our understanding of how planets evolve and survive. Beyond natural wonders, JWST may also detect something even more provocative: subtle hints of technology. Patterns of energy emission too precise to be random. Atmospheric changes that suggest large-scale activity. Or faint, persistent light sources that cannot be explained by geology or stellar reflection alone. These signals, distant and ambiguous, would not provide clear answers, but they would raise powerful questions about intelligence beyond Earth. Humanity now stands at the threshold of a new era in exploration. For decades, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence relied largely on radio waves, hoping to catch deliberate broadcasts sent across the stars. That approach is now evolving. With advanced infrared observation, scientists can search for indirect signs of civilization: excess heat, industrial gases, artificial illumination, or planetary-scale energy use. This shift dramatically expands how we search for life, moving from listening for messages to observing behaviors. The possibility that distant civilizations might light their nights in ways detectable across interstellar space forces us to rethink how life expresses itself. Intelligence may not announce its presence through communication alone, but through transformation, reshaping environments, altering atmospheres, and leaving detectable fingerprints on entire worlds. This idea challenges traditional definitions of life and compels us to develop new tools, new strategies, and new ways of thinking. When we look toward the stars, we do so not only as scientists gathering data, but as a global species driven by wonder. Curiosity is a universal human trait, shared across cultures and generations. In our search for others, we inevitably turn the lens inward, confronting questions about our own future, our responsibilities, and the legacy we leave behind. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, ancient, dynamic, and filled with hidden layers waiting to be revealed. Each discovery opens new questions, reminding us how much remains unknown. Yet with instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity has taken a decisive step forward. We are no longer merely guessing at what exists beyond our world, we are beginning to see it. This is only the beginning of a much larger journey. The hidden stories of the cosmos are slowly emerging, one observation at a time. And as we continue to explore, we may find that the greatest discoveries are not only about distant worlds, but about who we are and what we may become. If this vision sparks your curiosity, share your thoughts below, and stay connected for more journeys into the unknown.